Magnific AI versus Topaz AI. I'm going to tell you the key differences between Magnific AI and Topaz AI. Two powerful tools for upscaling and enhancing images with AI. Magnific AI is newer and more generative. It doesn't just upscale, it reimagines. It's ideal for digital artists or AI art using who want to enhance images in a stylized or creative way. You control sharpness, creativity, and detail, but it sometimes adds things that weren't in the original. Topaz AI is the industry standard for photo and video enhancement. It focuses on realism and recovery. Tools like Gigapixel, Photo AI, and Video AI are perfect for photographers, editors, or anyone needing true to source upscaling, noise removal, and sharpening. It's less creative, more surgical. Use Magnific AI if you want stunning visuals and don't mind creative liberties. Use Topaz AI if you want faithful, high quality enhancement for real photos or videos. Different tools, different purposes.